Most people think bones are dead, dry rocks inside us. Wrong. Your bones are alive, full of blood vessels, nerves, and busy cells. About 10% of your entire skeleton is replaced every single year. That means over roughly 10 years, most of your skeleton has been completely rebuilt. The bones you're walking on right now? They're not the same ones you had a decade ago. Your body has been quietly rebuilding you, bit by bit, without ever asking permission. An adult has 206 bones. Babies start with around 270, some fuse as you grow. But your skeleton is way more than just a frame. It protects your brain, heart, and lungs. It stores calcium like a bank. And deep inside, your bone marrow is busy making your blood every day. Your skeleton is not just structure, it's a living factory inside your body. Fun fact, your femur, that thigh bone, is so strong, pound for pound it's stronger than concrete. An adult has 206 bones. Babies start with around 270, some fuse as you grow. But your skeleton is way more than just a frame. It protects your brain, heart, and lungs. It stores calcium like a bank. And deep inside, your bone marrow is busy making your blood every day. Your skeleton is not just structure, it's a living factory inside your body. Fun fact, your femur, that thigh bone, is so strong, pound for pound it's stronger than concrete. Many people think bones are dead. But they are one of the most active tissues in your body. Bones contain blood vessels, nerves, living cells, collagen fibers, and minerals like calcium and phosphorus. They can heal, grow stronger, and adapt to stress. Your bones are listening to how you live every single day. This all happens through bone remodeling, a constant war and peace inside your bones. It is the process where old or damaged bone is removed, and replaced with fresh, stronger bone. Without it, your bones would slowly become weak and damaged. Even while you sleep, this process never stops. Meet the Osteoclasts, the demolition team. These giant cells attach to old bone and dissolve it using acid and enzymes. They carve out tiny pits in the bone and release calcium into your blood. Think of them as controlled destruction. They break down old structures so new ones can be built. Without them, damaged bone would never be removed. Now meet the Osteoblasts, the construction crew. They rush in after demolition and begin building fresh bone. They create a soft material called osteoid, then harden it using calcium and minerals. Some of them get trapped inside the bone and become osteocytes. These are the builders of your new skeleton. Osteocytes glowing and sending signals through bone network. Osteocytes are the silent supervisors. They live inside your bones and act like sensors. They detect pressure, stress, and tiny cracks. Then they send signals telling your body where to repair next. They are the reason remodeling happens exactly where it is needed. All of this happens inside a unit called a BMU. Here's the full cycle. Activation, damage is detected. Resorption, osteoclasts remove old bone, 30 to 40 days. Reversal, the area is cleaned. Formation, osteoblasts build new bone, around 150 days. Mineralization, calcium hardens the bone. Resting, the bone waits until the next cycle. One cycle takes 3 to 6 months, but thousands happen at the same time in your body. That's why your skeleton is always changing. Your bones follow Wolff's law. That means, bones under pressure become stronger, bones without use become weaker. That's why athletes build dense bones, astronauts lose bone in space, and inactivity weakens your skeleton. But here's the scary part, many drugs do the same damage. Smoking, alcohol, steroids and opioids directly poison osteoblasts, supercharge osteoclasts, and shatter the balance. Chronic users can lose bone faster than astronauts in space. Your bones act like a calcium bank. If your body needs calcium, it takes it from your bones. That's why calcium intake is important. But calcium alone is not enough. You also need vitamin D, which helps your body absorb it. Without it, your bones slowly weaken over time. Balance is everything in bone health. If osteoclasts destroy more bone than osteoblasts rebuild, your bones become weak. This leads to osteoporosis, fragile bones that can break, and constantly renewed. And here's the final truth: while you sleep easily, drugs like corticosteroids, alcohol, and smoking are silent bone killers. They kill osteoblasts, boost bone-eating osteoclasts, and can cause severe bone loss in just months. But when everything is balanced, your skeleton stays strong, flexible, growth hormone increases, and your body supercharges repair everywhere, including your bones. You are literally being rebuilt every night. You now understand how your body creates a new skeleton every 10 years, from bone remodeling, to osteoclasts, osteoblasts, osteocytes, and the incredible cycle that keeps you alive. This amazing system constantly rebuilds your bones, heals damage, and adapts to your life. But here's something most people never realize: many drugs quietly destroy this entire process. Corticosteroids kill osteoblasts while supercharging osteoclasts. Alcohol blocks calcium absorption and slows bone formation. Smoking increases bone breakdown and reduces blood flow to bones. Opioids suppress growth hormone and directly impair osteoblast function. Even some antidepressants and anticonvulsants accelerate bone loss. These drugs can cause severe osteoporosis in young people in just months. If you learned something new today, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next anatomy lesson. Now I have a question for you: what part of the human body do you want me to explain next? Or is there any topic in anatomy that confuses you? Drop it in the comments section below. I read every comment and I'll make a video on the most requested topic. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.